taking our walk this morning. She's locked in. The rest of the herd's probably out there somewhere. Aren't they beautiful? What do we do, Sagey? Oh, she's looking at some other ones. I think are over there. I was kind of hoping they'd go ahead and take off. I didn't really want to scare them. But they know who we are, so that's that two-legger and his goofy little friend with the orange vest. Hello, friends. Hello. I would do the only deer noise I make, and that's a buck snort. Oh, there's another one. That's 4 right there. I'm sure there's other ones around. You just can't see them. Oh, yeah. How pretty little girl right there. Isn't she adorable with her leg up? There they go. They're going to go have some fun. Oh, another one popped out. That's 5. Oh, God, Sadie. Here they go. Oh, hang on, sweetie. Oi, she's dropping it into 4-wheel drive. I better stop videotaping.